Hello friends, this is Dr. Shefali Naranje. In today's video, I will speak about one of the most important topic which we have forgotten quite easily. I'm going to speak about ethics or moral values. Ethics play an important role in one's life. It guides us in maintaining our behavior in an appropriate manner. Friends, I hope you understand the meaning of ethics. What is the definition of ethics if I ask this question? Well, I will answer that question. Ethics is a set of moral principles that govern or control the behavior of an individual or a group. In this video, I will be contemplating on the most important aspect of computer ethics. Computer ethics is a set of moral principles that regulate the use of computers. We all know that computers are far more efficient than humans in performing many tasks, especially in today's industrialized and technology-driven world. Computers have taken the place of humans. For example, in banks, telephone operators, announcements at public places, so on. To avoid any kind of inconvenience, there are certain rules for the code of conduct while using computers. Let us see the rules. The first rule is privacy. Information that you are storing in a computer should be treated very seriously. Second, security. All information should be locked properly so that it is not easily accessible to anyone. Content control. Sending obscene and crude or indecent messages, videos, false information through chats and mails is forbidden. This also includes websites which should not be visited. Moral responsibility. All of us has a moral responsibility. Using intrusive softwares like worms and viruses are illegal and punishable. It destroys the computer system and corrupts the important files. Therefore, we need to understand that we have to follow the commandments of how to use computers. Let us see the 10 commandments on computer ethics. First, never use a computer to harm other people. Second, do not spread viruses. Third, protect your identity from fake people. Do not use computer technology to steal information of others. Do not spread false, indecent information. Do not plagiarize someone else's intellectual properties. Do acknowledge them. Do not use pirated copies of the software. Always consider the social consequences of the program you write for the computer. Do not try and hack into other people's computer resources by extracting information. And lastly, do not steal any type of information from their computers. So friends, we should understand that using computers in today's time is very important, but one should use computers for the benefit of the society. I hope this video will help you to realize how important it is to carry out the computer work with proper ethics. Thank you.